Hello YouTube! Today I'm going to be doing a review on the NZXT Sentry Mesh, which I have the box right there. And the reason I'm doing this video today is because there was a lot of questions that I had that were hard to find, and one of them didn't get answered. So I just need a quick little review on this product. And my question was, are the cables removable to save space in your computer? And the answer is yes. All 5 cables and power are removable to save space. I know what you're thinking, that's not a real review, I'm doing a cop-out, especially since I'm linking down below a better review that I liked. Well, I just wanted to make my video unique and quick, save you time. Thanks. Bye.